beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. Today is an exciting day. The energies are strong. Powerful cosmic portals are open. They've been open since the 1st, but the energy is peaking right now on the 10th and 11th. Expect acceleration. Expect your manifestations to come quicker, higher states of consciousness. Feel the power of rapid manifestations. That means anything is possible right now. And work on raising your vibration. Align yourself with the energies of 111. These are divine numbers and they are powerful. You can raise your vibrations using your affirmations and self-love. Make sure that you're doing something good for yourself as well as others. Music is a good way to raise your vibration. It's important to be aware of your thoughts. If you're wanting more money, state that I am wealthy. I am financially free. I am divinely guided in my life's purpose and how to accumulate wealth in my family. If you're looking for love, state that I am love. I am loved. I am deserving of love. Things like this. Make sure that your thoughts are positive. Make sure they're I am statements. Be aware of everything that you're thinking and feeling and speaking at this time. This is a high energy portal, and like I said before, anything can and will happen. Be grateful for any manifestations that come into your life right now, and just work on that. Work on being in a gratitude mindset. Be grateful for everything around you and be grateful for all the things coming your way that you don't even know about yet. God, the universe, has so much for you that you're not even aware of. We often just look around us and think this is it, but it's not. The universe has much more for us to do, much more for us to experience and see. So be open to it. Miracles can happen suddenly, and they often do. We don't always see them coming. Most of the time, we don't see them coming. We'll only recognize them after they have happened. And when God moves in our lives, we don't see him coming either, but we know when he's been there. We know when our circumstances have changed, that we wake up and look around and wow, this has to be God. This has to be the universe. The Lord has blessed me. You have an attitude of just extreme thankfulness and gratefulness for what's around you. Be careful with how you treat other people right now, because everything we sow is coming back to us. So we want to sow love and experiences in other people's lives, giving out smiles and hugs and all good things for their vibration as well, to lift them up in the consciousness of all. This is an exciting time to be alive. It's an exciting moment to be alive. And I just wish you guys all the goodness that the universe has for you. May God bless you. Love and light to all of you. And may you have a tremendous day. It's a beautiful day here in Knoll, Missouri. And I hope it's a beautiful day where you are too. And I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye for now.